It is incredible to see how modern military vehicles are adapting to defend against the growing threat of drone attacks. In this footage, you get to see Rheinmetall's Lance turret mounted on a Boxer vehicle, as it demonstrates its ability to defend against an incoming drone attack. Using its 30mm main weapon, the system tracks the target with impressive precision before successfully neutralizing it. Watching the engagement unfold really highlights just how advanced these counter-drone technologies have become. What stands out is the level of accuracy and responsiveness built into the system. The Lance turret isn't just designed for traditional battlefield roles anymore. It's evolving to meet new threats, giving armored vehicles an added layer of protection against increasingly common aerial dangers. As drones continue to play a larger role in modern conflicts, systems like this are becoming more important than ever. For those attending Eurosatory 2026, there will be a chance to take a closer look at this technology in person. Rheinmetall's CUAS kit will be showcased as an advanced turret upgrade integrated onto a Lynx KF-41 in a reconnaissance configuration. Visitors will have the opportunity to learn more about the system, explore its capabilities, and speak directly with the teams responsible for its development. The footage offers an interesting glimpse into how military technology is adapting to an evolving security environment. Whether you're interested in armored vehicles, air defense systems, or the future of battlefield innovation, this demonstration provides plenty to talk about. After watching, let everyone know what you think about the Lance turret and its counter-drone capabilities in the comments below.